Leaked Mutangadura murder messages deepen mystery. By Crime and Courts reporter Vertical Bar, the 22nd of August 2025. The investigation into the brutal killing of prominent businessman Joseph Mutangadura has taken a dramatic turn following the circulation of leaked social media messages suggesting possible inside involvement. Mutangadura, 67, was shot dead late Sunday night at his Lishing Estate farmhouse in RUWA. While initial police reports labeled the incident a violent robbery, emerging details increasingly point to a targeted assassination. Leaked messages spark speculation. Messages circulating online, allegedly from a close family member, claim that detectives confiscated the widow patient's Mutangadura's cell phone and that the hired gunmen, unaware of the seizure, began demanding payment directly from investigators posing as her. According to the unverified messages, one suspect was arrested in Gazebo, while the other 6 were reportedly tracked to Epworth. Police have not confirmed these claims, and efforts to authenticate the leaks are still ongoing. Chilling attack. Official police accounts state that 7 masked men, armed with pistols, crowbars, and hammers, overpowered a security guard before storming the 13-room house. After tying him up and demanding a description of their target, the gang headed straight for Mutangadura's bedroom, where he was with his wife. Despite Mutangadura's reported offer to hand over cash from his abattoir, the attackers shot him multiple times in the chest and stomach, killing him instantly. Strangely, they ignored other valuables, escaping with only a cell phone worth about $10, a detail fueling suspicions that elimination, not robbery, was their mission. What is disturbing is that the gang was not after the money but the life of Joseph, a relative told reporters. Patience, who had only recently reconciled with Mutangadura after a divorce, was rendered unconscious and later hospitalized. She is currently under police protection. Police maintain robbery angle. National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyathi confirmed the murder, but insisted the case was still being treated as a robbery homicide. The value of stolen property is yet to be verified, Nyathi said. However, the precision of the killing mirrors other suspected contract murders in Zimbabwe since the 2017 coup. Attacks where victims are executed, but little of value is taken. Business community shaken. Mutangadura was a well-known entrepreneur, owning butcheries, Lishing Estate, and the popular Mutangadura hideout. His killing has left the RUWA and Harare business communities in shock, with friends and family demanding answers over who ordered his death and why. Detectives from the CID Homicide Unit are leading the manhunt for the killers. But with Patience's phone in police custody and speculation mounting, many close to the case believe the killing was no ordinary robbery, but a carefully planned assassination.